Today I'm making some special bird cookies, and they're in the oven, but I'm about to get them out just by now. And they're so yummy, and you look, see? So now I'm just going to use my pan, and I'm gonna flip them, and then I'm gonna put them on this plate. So some of my customers can have some. This is a special word experiment, exercise word experiment, and like we do the words and stuff, like that. So this is to, how, into, ch.
Now put it together.
E. And what are it?
Sound it out and put it together.
The is.
Now put it together.
This.
Correct.
And more and help and other.
Okay, great. So this is.
So now I'm gonna flip them, and this is an experiment. So Daddy, say what you wanted to say.
So this is a special, fun way to learn sight words. This is Madison's special sight words. We pretend baked them, and now I had her sound them out if she make a mistake, and she's basically putting them on a plate right now. And when we put them on a plate, she's gonna hold them up once again, and she's gonna say them. So when she's finished doing this, we'll get them put all on the plate, and she'll say them, and we'll go from there.
So guys, I just gotta fix my cookies a little, like the big ones and the little ones, Welcome back. Now I'm gonna say my words now on the word cookies, on my special word cookies. They're red cookies with chocolate chip, and I wish I could put raisins on them and sprinkles. So, hello guys, welcome back again. Did I scare y'all? So now I'm gonna say my words again because my mommy at the background messed it up, but my daddy gonna try to delete her. Yeah, because she was on a phone call with her customers. So this is this, and this is each, and this is other, and this is what, and this is are, and this is help, and this is more, and this is how, and this is to, and this is my favorite word. It's a compound word, two words that are put together to make one word, and it's into.
Can I see that word again? Into. And what is it?
Into, because it's a compound word. That's two words that put together to make one word. Me and my daddy just learned that.
Okay.
Hit the bell button and like, share, and subscribe from Madison World video. And welcome back to my channel. Bye.